What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's a long awaited video, super requested. A lot of you guys want to know what I am currently using as my skincare routine, and I will tell you guys that almost every single product that I show you in today's video is a product that you have not seen on my channel before, and that's because my skin has really gone through a huge transformation. I know a lot of you guys have found me from my Accutane journey. I was one of those unfortunate people that I had to go on Accutane twice. I went on it once for 6 months and I had beautiful results that lasted almost close to a year, and then all of my acne came back and it was so bad. And I would remember that I told you guys during my first round of Accutane that it was such a life-changing product for me that if I had to do it again, even though I really suffered through 6 months of horrible side effects, that I would do it again if I had to. And those words kind of just like stuck in my head, because then I had to make the decision, okay, all of your acne is back. Are you willing to do it again? And I think there's something like maybe 15 to 20% of people that have to go ahead and do a second round. Like I said, I was one of those unfortunate 15 to 20% of people. I did a second round for another 6 months, and my skin has been flawless ever since. So with that being said, my skin is very different than it used to be in the past. I do not break out anymore. I actually have been so blessed that I have not even suffered one breakout since finishing my second round of Accutane, which was almost about 2 years ago now. With that being said, my skin is definitely still not perfect. What I was suffering from after Accutane was acne scars, dark marks, hyperpigmentation, sunspots, and just an overall uneven skin tone from all of the past trauma that my skin had gone through. So although, thank God, I'm not dealing with horrible acne anymore, those are the skincare concerns that I have been dealing with for, I would say, about the past year of my life. If you guys are interested in seeing some very graphic videos of what my skin used to look like before I went on Accutane, I'm going to link that entire journey down below for you guys to check out. But in today's video, I want to actually demo and show you guys every single product that I put on my face now. Every single night, there's not one day that goes by that I do not wash my face. I don't care if it's a holiday. I don't care if I get home at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. I will not go to sleep unless I do all of these steps to my face every single night. So as I was getting ready for bed last night, all I did was turn my camera on and go ahead and film my every night routine for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into my nightly skincare routine. So the very first thing that I like to do at night when I wash my face is remove my makeup. For many years, I have been a very firm believer in you should wash your face twice at night. Once to remove all of the makeup from your face, and then a second time to actually cleanse your skin. So to remove my makeup, I use the Olay Daily Facial Hydrating Cleansing Cloth. I love using these instead of a makeup wipe that's filled with alcohol because I feel like those irritate and dry out my skin even more. So these cloths are actually activated by water. They're really hydrating. They remove every single trace of face and eye makeup, and yes, even waterproof. They're easy to travel with and they're very quick and simple to use. So I picked mine up at Target. And after removing all of my makeup, I'm ready to go in with my next step, and that's using a cleanser. So the cleanser that I have been loving lately, and you guys know because I've been putting this all over my Instagram, is by Soap & Glory, and it's called the Vitamin C Facial Wash. So this is formulated for all skin types, and I really like how it has these tiny little rubber-like exfoliating beads that are extra gentle. So overall, this product smooths, it cleanses, it purifies my skin. Like I said, it's really gentle, but after going in with these 2 steps, I feel like my skin is really cleansed from all the makeup that I put on it, all the impurities from throughout the day. And I also want to mention that I pick up that cleanser at either ULTA or at Target. So after that, I just go ahead and dry my face, and you guys know that I've been saying for years here on my channel that I do not let a dirty or even a freshly cleaned towel anywhere near my face under any circumstances. I always like to go in with a fresh paper towel that does not have any bacteria on it, and I go ahead and I dry my face. Now for the skincare. So the first thing that I like to go in with is my under eye cream. So to be completely honest with you guys, I don't have like a holy grail miracle eye cream that's my favorite of all time, but for the time being, I've been using this one by Origins. It's called their Ginzing Brighten and Depuff Cream. This is a step that I never skip, especially now that I'm in my 30s. My under eyes definitely need all of the nourishment that they can get. And that under eye cream was actually given to me as a gift, but you can pick it up at Sephora. So okay, after all of that is done, this is really where I feel like the magic in my skincare routine happens. Next, I'd like to go in with my favorite serum, and you want to apply a serum before any lotions or creams because they sink deeper into your skin. So this one right here is the Even Tone Super Glow Serum by Urban Skin RX. Now the reviews for this product are literally out of this world, and I definitely see why. Basically, it's a vitamin C serum, and I'm not going to name any names, but I will say that vitamin C serums lately have been like all the hype on the market, and they're extremely overpriced. So this one right here is only $26, and this serum targets dark spots, dull skin, sun damage, large pores, fine lines, and uneven skin tone. If I could recommend one product to you guys from this entire skincare routine, it would be this product right here. I feel like this serum has really targeted every single skincare concern that I have, and you can pick it up at Ulta, Target, or CVS. Okay guys, we're almost finished, I promise. After applying my serum, I like to go in with one of two products, pretty much just depending on my mood. And to be honest with you guys, I really just rotate these last two products. So that's either gonna be my night treatment cream, which I will say that I probably reach for a little bit more. And on nights that I don't use that, I just go in with my moisturizer. So my night treatment cream is also by Urban Skin RX. And basically it's a super gentle retinol cream that helps correct hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, clogged pores, fine lines, wrinkles. The morning after using this, you guys, I literally wake up with softer, brighter, baby-like skin. It really helps to keep my skin tone even and moisturized. Now, some nights I don't reach for my night treatment cream, and I'd rather just apply something that's gonna give me like a really intense hydration. And that is where my Hydrabalance moisturizer comes in. This is the same moisturizer that I use every single morning, and it's perfect for anyone that's suffering from dehydrated, rough, dry skin. I love that it's fragrance free and that it's also powered by hyaluronic acid. So not only does it deeply moisturize my skin, it also rebalances it at the same exact time. Last but not least, I treat my lips. I feel like this is an essential step that a lot of people tend to forget. I tend to rotate lip products as well. This is also a product that I haven't found like a favorite one, but lately I've been using the Lip Vibrance Lip Protectant by Blistex. And there you have it, guys. That is my nightly skincare routine. I know that for some it might seem like this is a huge routine, but honestly it takes me about 10 minutes in the bathroom at the end of every day. And you guys know that I do not wear liquid or cream foundation. I haven't probably for the past 3 years. Even on my wedding, I wore powder foundation. I wear powder foundation every single day, just a very light dusting, and I feel like I can get away with that just because I take the extra time to take care of my skin. It makes the biggest difference ever, so I hope that this inspired at least one of you guys out there. My morning routine, I would say, is about half this amount of steps. If you guys want a video on that, I can definitely do that as well. Anything that I mentioned in today's video, I'm going to link down below. I'm so sorry that it took me so long to come out with this video. Like I said, it is always requested. I just really wanted to make sure that I had a routine that was down packed, that really did deliver results for me. So thank you guys again all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.